So I recently found out on this Bedrock Edition servers, and apparently there's a new secret, probably secret server. This server is just showing on the tablets that the maximum limit is only 2 players, and it just showed on the thumbnail of the server dragons and mystery signs, a question mark signs. I don't know what you could call them, but but okay. The thing is that I don't know if this is like something new or secretive, and apparently you need a pass or something to get to an island. So this is all about dragons, and honestly, you can't do much, and I just hope this turns out pretty good. Yeah, it looks great. Hopefully everyone else can see it. Anyway, bye guys. I just came, so I think it is quite new. Okay, bye guys. I just hope someone sees this. Please subscribe, like, and stuff. I don't post Minecraft that much. Please subscribe.